Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade wax. Just in case you're scared of going to the waxing point, you can just make your own wax at home. I'm going to use these 3 lemons, and you can see I have 2 yellow lemons and this 1 green lemon. The difference between these lemons is because these 2 lemons are they have ripened so well, so they'll give me more juice compared to this green one. When you feel it, you can feel like it is softer than the green one, so it means that the juice sacs have more juice. This green one, it feels hard, and this means it will give me just a little juice because it has not ripened so well. So yeah, let's go to the process. First step is to squeeze this lemon so that you open up the juice sacs. Opening up the juice sacs will release the juice, and this will make you obtain the maximum juice from each lemon. Just squeeze it so hard to open up the juice sacs. Just be patient with the process and it will be successful. The next step is to slice these lemons into half, like you can see here. And before squeezing out the juice, please remove the seeds. There are some seeds which are hidden in the 2 juice bags inside, so make sure you remove them. But I noticed that slicing them in half, it will make it so hard to remove the juice, so I sliced them further to quarters so that it can make it easy for me. Just as you can see. The next process is to squeeze out the juice and squeeze it hard to make sure you obtain your lemon juice, because these yellow lemons are more expensive than the green lemons, so make sure you use your money well. Squeeze out all the juice. Make sure you obtain the maximum juice from each lemon slice. Just be patient, squeeze everything out so that you can have enough lemon, which will take you to the next process. As you can see, I've squeezed out all the juice, and yeah, I have enough juice to use. You can see all the juice is gone. Yeah. The next step is sieve this juice so that you can remove all the juice bags or juice sacs, the way you call them. And the next step is just to mix this thing. I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar, as you can see. And there's difference between these measuring cups and the normal cups we use. So be sure, just measure using these measuring cups. Use 1 cup so that your mixture can give you efficient wax. I'm going to pour the sugar to the lemon juice and stir it just to obtain that mixture, and also to dissolve some sugar granules, but be sure not all the granules will dissolve in that lemon juice. So just stir to obtain the best mixture you can get. Keep stirring, keep stirring. You can see there are some granules which has been left behind, but just stir. The more they dissolve, the better your mixture becomes. Just keep stirring. At this point, I'm going to place my sufuria into my jiko, then warm it up and pour my lemon sugar mixture and stir so that you can pour all the sugar granules inside the sufuria. Make sure you drop all that sugar inside so that it can be a good wax. At this point, I'm going to boil my mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, but it's not necessary to be 5 to 7 minutes. Just be sure once your gel has formed, the gel-like mixture has formed, you're good to go. So at this point, I'm going to show you step by step how the gel-like wax is formed. At this point, as you keep stirring, make sure the heat is at low so that you don't burn your mixture. If you burn it, it will be more brownish. So avoid burning your mixture. You can see the more it boils, there are some more bubbles which are formed. Just keep stirring. The more it heats, the mixture decreases because it is now starting to form a gel-like substance which will be used to wax. Just keep stirring, be patient, stir it, and please don't leave this thing on your jiko and go and do other things. Just give it the minutes it requires. Keep stirring because if you leave it, it might burn. Keep stirring. All these bubbles are showing that the process is being successful. Just keep stirring until the gel forms. You see that, guys? If you're keen, you'll see that your mixture is starting to decrease. As I said, it is decreasing because it is forming a gel-like mixture which will form the wax. Just keep stirring until you are sure that the gel has formed. Keep stirring, keep stirring. You see that, guys? Not yet, so just boil it for some minutes. Give it time. Keep stirring as it boils so that you can monitor how the mixture is forming the gel-like stuff. You see that, guys? At this moment, I thought my gel has formed, but not yet, so I continued eating it more. And if you have noticed, the mixture has decreased because at this point, the gel is really forming. This process is becoming so successful, guys. You see those bubbles? And if you're keen, you can see some brown thing on the end. That means it has burned. At this point, to confirm that your gel has formed, just pour some gel in a cold water. If it forms this sticky thing, it shows that it is successful. Or if it forms some balls, that means that your process has been successful. Transfer your gel from your sufuria to a bowl and just air it out so that it cools down. Please don't apply this thing when it's hot. It will burn your skin mercilessly. Just air it out to make sure it cools down. Give it some time, but please, guys, monitor this thing because the more it cools, the more it becomes sticky. So if you cool it to an extreme, it will become sticky and it will be so hard to apply. At this point, I'm applying my gel. It is just warm. Give it some time to cool down. But before you apply the gel, make sure your hand is not the hand, the surface where you want to remove your hair. Make sure it is clean, no oils or stuff. Just clean it before applying it so that it can be so easy to remove all the hairs. Give it time to cool down so that it can be easy. This cooling will take just give it 3 minutes. At this point, after I've given it time to cool, I'm just peeling it out. But guys, if you want it to be so efficient, don't pull slowly as I'm doing. Here I'm just demonstrating. You pull it fast so that it can get rid of all the airs. You see that if you pull it slowly, that is what happens. So just pull it fast. And this is the result, guys. No airs. It has done a very good job. Very affordable. You see, very affordable items. And yeah, you're good to go. Very affordable. Just do it at your home and you're good to go. At this point, guys, I realized that my sufuria, it was so hard to wash off the sticky gel, because I told you the more it cools, the more it becomes sticky. So I'm here helping you how to clean your stuff after making this gel. You just pour water in your sufuria and boil it so that you can remove that sticky thing, as you see. The more it eats, the more it melts down. So just scrub it, and that's how you clean your sufuria, with warm water. Keep stirring until all the gel melts down. Don't be scared about your sufuria getting dirty, because this is just an easy way of removing it. Don't wash with cold water, because the coldness makes the gel to be more stickier. Use warm water, clean your stuff, and you're good to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.